Hello, everybody. This is the Anxon outdoor speaker. It's water resistant, so it actually be good to bring it to the beach or park or outdoor activities. It has like a metal mesh grill. Actually, it's black and red, which is my favorite colorway. From left to right is the power button, volume down, volume up, play and pause. And it has a rope so you could hang on to something. And on the bottom is a silicone grip. So once you lay this flat, it should not move. Now this is the door, which is inside. You will have your aux and USB LED light, memory card, and you have a mic for a speakerphone.